Looking through the window, watching as the world seems to pass her by. Like a bird in a cage, I can feel the silent rage reflected in her eye. Staring into the distance, behind the smile I see the truth written on her face. What lies he told, what dreams he sowed, have now sunk without a trace. She draws the courage, summons a smile, but deep inside she feels so strange. Like a cat in a bag, waiting to drown. She can only hope that her life will change. Who clipped Mary's angel wings and told her that the stars were out of reach? She remembers her Latin, her ardua at Astra, looking out over the Azov beach. In her mind she soars like a golden eagle, with a gust of wind beneath her wings. But like the well that's capped, her soul feels trapped, but still lifts her heart and sings. Which live in the belly of her soul may one